Hi, good evening everyone. All of you saw that today I was in the mood to cook. Cook what? Well, then it has to be something to do with mangoes, right? Mango season. And the last couple of videos, what I did was I told you all not to have any desserts made from mangoes. But now that the mango season is right there, how can I refuse any mangoes that you would love to have? Why don't you now think about having a mango dessert, but a dessert that is rich in protein, a dessert that has all the fat controlled, and a dessert that ultimately becomes healthy too. So I am going to make a mango chia pudding today for all of you who love mangoes, for all of you who love desserts, and for all of you who love puddings. ठीक है, शुरू करें? Yeah, everyone who's just joined us or who's joining us, my name is Khyati Rupani. I am the founder and the chief nutritionist at balancenutrition.in. I see a lot of you joining in, and I am just waiting for another 1 minute before I start giving you the recipe, or rather a surprise, why not make it, right or wrong? So let me gather all the ingredients. What I have done is I have taken Greek yogurt. Yes, can you believe it? 1 cup of Greek yogurt is what I got. I am somebody, or at my house, people are not very fond of something sweet. They like something which is natural and natural flavors. So what I have done here is I have already added half spoon of honey to this, and मैंने इसे फेंट लिया है. Like I have beaten it up. Now, to make this healthy, what I'm going to do is I am going to top it with chia seeds. ठीक है? What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are nothing but seeds which look like basil. Okay? They are something which goes in the water. Let me see if I can show it to you all. Can you all see this? Yeah, is it visible? Yeah, it's a little liquidy, but yeah, if this makes it possible for you to see. Yeah, chia seeds. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, so chia seeds are again a very high protein source, high in omega-3. What I'm going to do is, while the chia seeds are still soaking, I have decided to add a little bit of mint to this, and of course, yummy mangoes. I also like adding a little flavor in terms of a nut, which here is today a pista. Right? Everybody, pistachios. So let's recap the ingredients once again. Greek yogurt. Okay. I have about 1/3 filled the mug. Yeah, this is for my whole family. Don't think that this is for all of you. This is a portion of 3. So now that we have this, I would say let us top it with some mangoes. You can actually also add soaked oats to this. Oats and milk, if you soak it overnight, they will become a gelatinous mass, and you will be able to spoon it out. Oats porridge khaiye na? So that is how oats porridge will be. And you can, instead of mangoes, put a layer of oats and milk first, and then you can put a layer of yogurt again, and then put a layer of chia seeds. There we go. I also have made a little more Greek yogurt, because this, as I said, is for the whole family. What I'm also going to do is, I think, yeah, that is how it is. I am now mixing my chia seeds, okay, I think now you all will be able to see it a lot better. Yeah, there it goes. Chia seeds and a mixture of yogurt. It looks very pretty, actually. Yeah, I think now I can show it to you all better in white. Yeah, is it visible? Yeah, here we go. There. Yeah, okay, and here we go. This is my chia seeds mixed in the yogurt. Let me mix this up very nicely. Okay, it is getting a nice black and white texture. Let's add some more chia seeds to it. Add kare, nahi kare. Well, it's for the family. The more the merrier. Thoda aur. It's for my 10-year-old, thoda or. Otherwise, omega-3, I'll have to give her flax seeds, I'll have to give her walnuts. Both these are something that she runs away from. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna give you guys this. And that is what Vishal and Trisha are gonna have for dessert tonight. Thoda or, I know, zyada ho gaya na guys. So now what I should do is, I should top this. And now let's fill it up. Okay. For more flavor, since over here it is my little one who's going to be eating it, what I'm going to do is, I am going to not put any flavors. But if at all, you are making this just for yourself, okay, if you're an adult and if you're making this just for yourself, what you should be doing is, you should be sprinkling a layer of what I call as cinnamon powder, okay. It will give you a very nice flavor. What you can also do is, you can put some cardamom, okay, or elaichi to this. This is also something that is a big must do. Now, this apparently is around 3 portions. What I would do is, I would decorate it now or top it with more mango, and while I would break my mint leaves, here is a small little decoration with the mint leaves also. There we go. So the last part, which is sprinkling of the nuts. Oh, this is a delicious delight. Okay, now let's do a quick recap. Let me show my Facebook audiences. Yeah, this is how it looks. I don't think I'm getting it. Yeah. Here. That is how it goes. And this is how it looks. Isn't it looking brilliant? Lovely? Yeah? Yes. I'm sorry I'm missing my tech team today because, yeah, that is how it goes and that is how it looks. Back there. Excuse the bad videography, excuse the bad, I don't know what to call it, but here we go. Some more pistas. Again, a quick recap to this recipe. I took a big jar of, Greek yogurt, filled it 1/3 with Greek yogurt and honey beaten together. I topped it with mango. The other options you can top it with are banana. You can also top it with a fruit of your choice. Grapes would be also an option if it is available right now. Post which you should top it with a layer of chia seeds. The amount of soaked chia seeds that you can handle is going to be what we should be looking at. We should also then again top it with a layer of Greek yogurt and make it a layered pudding. Mint leaves for decoration, and as I said, the best you can do is make sure that you are adding a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of flax seeds, a little bit of pumpkin seeds, whatever is available in your house and is healthy. This, if I have 1 katori of it, is going to give me 6 to 7 grams of proteins. If your Greek yogurt is low fat, then your fat content is actually nothing that you will have to worry about. I have here added pistas, but you can add any nuts you want. In fact, walnuts would be a healthier option too. Right? Caloric intake, I think someone is asking me, if you have 2 rasgullas, you will be easily taking in, or say, let me get to gulab jamun. If you have 2 gulab jamuns, you end up having 350 calories. Over here, 1 big katori, okay, of this or a bowl of this is going to give you 100 to 150 calories only, and that also the type of your calorie is coming from a fruit, it is coming from Greek yogurt, it is coming from healthy nuts. It does not have a lot of trans fats, saturated fats, trans fat content is 0. So this is an ideal breakfast for your little one. If you want a heavier breakfast, as I said, oats porridge jab hum banate hai, you must give it a very, very nice shake. and put some oats in it too. You must make it in tiny cups and refrigerate it. What I am going to do here is I have made it this way because bartan kaun saaf karega. So today, the family that plays together, eats together, stays together. So 3 of us are going to be sharing this dessert. Yes, today it was this recipe that I wanted to give all of you. I hope all of you have factored in. Yes, apple oats firni is also amazing. That is a recipe at www.balancenutrition.in. Having said that, I think Sanjay, hi, how are you? Jai Shri, Hema, all of you understood the recipe? Yeah? Richa, hi, Lakshmi, hi, Jigisha, Smriti, Nidhi, everyone. I hope you all have understood this recipe. I think I should be calling it a day today, and there is a big bye, but yes, I will wait for 20 more seconds in case any of you have any queries. Let me taste it. No tasting right now, right? I shouldn't be tasting it right now. Taste it? No, not taste it. चल थोड़ा taste कर लेती हूँ. Decoration side से ही लिया है. This is to die for. I think my family, we will have to make one more. Please try it and tell me how you like it. Neetu, hi, लेकिन थोड़ा late आए हो, so bye. The recipe is in the video. Please make sure you watch it. And yes, bye. See you everyone. Take care.